Hey beauties, Daisy Andrea here today with you. Really quick, I had spoke about this previously in one of my unboxings. Um, I have been getting a lot of breakouts lately. I go snowboarding a lot, and I am wearing this around my face and my neck, and so I've been getting a lot of breakouts right through here, and it's been kind of nasty. I do wash this. I wash it in hot water. Um, but I don't know what the deal is. So I'm going to try to make a fabric refresher. I'm going to make it really simple and easy. I have a little spray bottle here. Um, I am using a little bit of baking soda. That'll kind of help with smells mainly. Um, and I want to make sure I don't use too much probably. Tea tree is going to be, since I do so well on my face when I use tea tree, so I'm going to use tea tree as the essential oil in that. Um, and then I've got also a little bit of vegetable glycerin. Again, I'm going to use a very small amount. It is hydrating, so just to make sure that if the baking powder, maybe to counteract some of the dryness, this is just my thoughts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this, and then what I will do is I'll do an after video and let you know how it goes. So this is a 4-ounce bottle. I'm going to use half a teaspoon of baking soda. Probably should have had a funnel for this, but talk about not being prepared. So you could probably eyeball this, but yeah, I'm using half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. So very small amount. And I do have a little pump of vegetable glycerin. So I am going to put one little pump, actually. Maybe two little pumps. Two little pumps. This is going to be my least, usually I'm a little more of a stickler on how much I use, but this is kind of, I'm DIYing my DIY. And I'm just going to kind of shake it into each other, kind of mix the two together. Shaking it pretty well. Looks pretty cool. I am going to the baking soda, I'm going to add my drops. I'm going to add my drops before I do the water. I think I'm going to do 20 drops with this. I want it pretty strong. So if you've got more sensitive skin, use less. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 or so, because I got a little left over. So there you go on that. So just kind of mix the two around there. I don't know how this is going to, the water and this is going to emulsify together. I will imagine that I'll have to shake vigorously before I pump this and put it onto my garment. So, smells delish. All right, so now I'm going to just kind of fill the remainder of the bottle with water. And again, really wishing I had a funnel today. Let's see. Try to be as careful as I can. Shouldn't be too bad here. Okay. There we go. And I did boil this water and let it cool. I didn't have any bottled water, and I do have some hard water, so I tried to boil some of that out first. I don't know if that's going to matter, but there we go. So let's try this out here. Again, I apologize for experimenting with you guys, but I think as long as I shake it beforehand, it should be fine. And there's a little bit stuck in the corner. So it should be hopefully okay. Yeah, it looks great. So here it is. I'll have to just leave it and see how it separates. But I'll probably do, great for DIYs is learning how to make an emulsifier. And essentially an emulsifier is a substance that brings oil and water together, since they always separate out. And that's always a challenge when you're using essential oils and making your own DIY, is things kind of start to separate, and you lose the essential oil. Either you use it all at once, or it all sits at the bottom when you're done. So I'm just going to make sure that I am shaking this until I see how it separates. Alrighty, so here's my garment. And I'll just give it like kind of a spritzing. And I guess, you can also use this kind of like a Febreze per se. You could not only use this for your fabrics, but probably your shoes too. I know a lot of people like purification. You could probably use purification with this as well. So I'm going snowboarding Monday. It's supposed to snow in Breckenridge. So I will let you guys know. I'll let you know how it smelled throughout the day, how this product worked, if it separated, and if I broke out. Guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon.